Hey guys, this is your guy AJ Rivera. I know it's been a very long time, so kamusta na po kayo? Anyways, yesterday we went to Ducati Manila to witness the turnover of the winnings from Manibela Challenge. So guys, panoorin po natin ito.
Ducati Philippines Adventure Team's first prize award from Manibela Challenge to our chosen beneficiaries. I'm Renzo Kiko, I'm the marketing manager of Ducati, and I am very pleased to have you guys with us.
Maraming salamat sa mga pumunta rito at saka yung ating beneficiary. Dito kayo ngayon. Kayo ang inspirasyon namin para makuha natin yung first place. Yan.
So, na chemotherapy or radiation, any treatment for cancer sa Philippine General Hospital. So silang mga bata, kasama ang kanilang magulang, parent or guardian, is galing po sa malalayong probinsya all over the Philippines.
And then a percentage. Okay? We will do that. So, yeah, yung mga, we can make them a bit easier.
Kasi tayo nire-refer po sa amin na makituloy kayo sa shelter hospital.
Okay. Right. So, congratulations guys. Compassionate Philippines. This is 250,000 check from Ducati Philippines Adventure Team.
Ako ng Ducati na napiling ko nasa rin Compassionate Ministries bilang isa sa inyong mga beneficiary.
Po ng Manibela and UNTV and ng aming CEO po, si Kuya Daniel Razon, na siya po yung pinaka-brainchild ng Manibela Challenge. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa Team Ducati and sa isa pong mga beneficiary po na naging way ang Manibela and UNTV with the Team Ducati para makarating po sa ating mga chosen beneficiary yung ating mga blessing.